Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute volume on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Apple replaced its entry-level iBook line of notebook computer with the MacBook, which remained in production for the next 5 years. It was discontinued in 211. The final model is the product line over the full size. And this configuration provide two ways to mute the system sound. So how to do it to mute your MacBook? It's so simple. You can just press on your mute key on your Mac, and if it doesn't work, you can just open your system preferences and go to sound. Click on sound in here, sound section, and you'll find on your settings, on your output, there is an option mute. You can just click on that. Checklist on the here to mute your MacBook, so your MacBook is on the mute mode. It's so simple, right? So that is how to mute MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.